Hello everyone, welcome to Move Well, Live Well. We get a number of people coming in here with issues regarding their bowels. And in particular, what's going on with these folks is they're having problems with constipation. Now, normal bowel movements, typically if you're eating 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times a day, you should be having a bowel movement just almost as frequently as that. Normal transit time, you're looking at anywhere from 24 to 72 hours for transit time. And it varies depending on the individual, their activity level, the type of food that they're eating. But in essence, if you're eating a few times a day, you should be having a bowel movement just about the same amount of time. And what's happening with these folks is that they're developing a condition like constipation, and then their food and their stuff that they're trying to eliminate gets stuck in their colon and can't be eliminated, and it just ferments in there. It gets nasty, and then you're susceptible to all kinds of other conditions that happen when constipation occurs. So how do you fix that? Obviously, this is not a video on a big long video on diet and everything, because make sure you're watching your diet, you're drinking plenty of water, those types of things, getting plenty of exercise, that type of thing. But one thing that we find that is helpful to these folks that are having constipation, we see that they have an inability to move properly in a squat position. Now, what does the squat have anything to do with going to the bathroom or having a bowel movement? But back in the day, before the advent of toilets and things to sit on, we would, as people, we would be in this position here. So when we go to the bathroom, we go out in the woods or whatever, we go out in the woods like this. We would squat to go to the bathroom and to eliminate our wastes. So here we are in this, and if you look at this position here, you can see my thighs are pressing up against, remember your large intestine, your colon kind of, does this. It's on the sides here, it's like this, right? And it goes like that, and it goes out through the poop chute. So being in this position here helps to stimulate that large intestine, and it puts our spine, our lumbar spine, in a little bit of flexion here, and allows for proper elimination, proper position of the colorectal area for proper elimination of your stool. So if you look at this here, just like this, you see how my back kind of curves out a little bit right there? And now you have this nice kind of C-shaped position through which your stool can be eliminated more properly, and it relaxes that area. So again, what we're finding with a lot of these folks is they're having problems with constipation, and by practicing being able to get into a squat position. Now you may have to start with, in a chair, you're holding on to something. You can even start with holding on to something like this. A post or a door jamb would be beneficial for you to hold on to something, so that way you can get to that position of a squat. But as you start to practice that, and feel free to peruse through our playlist for the squats and some of the low back videos that we've made already for squatting. But as you do this more and more on a regular basis, you'll find that those constipation problems, if it's due to movement, will start to become eliminated. No pun intended. But also, don't disregard eating right, exercising on a regular basis, and drinking plenty of water, so that way your constipation issues will decrease. Anyway, practice on the squat, practice being in this position here, so that way your elimination of stools becomes easier as well. Anyway, if you have any questions with this video, please drop them off in the comments section below. We thank you for watching, we appreciate it. And give this video a thumbs up. It lets us know you care, and share with others so that way they can benefit from these videos as well. And if you haven't done already, please subscribe so that way you don't miss any future videos coming down here in the near future. Plus you get to know what's going on here at Move Well, Live Well. Also, when you hit subscribe, make sure you hit that bell notifications button. That way you don't miss anything. As a new video comes up, it'll be ready to go for you. Anyway, thanks again for watching. We appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.